$1,000,000 question. Can you do it after breaking the cigarette in half and still keep the ends switching?
Bruh, he also tears the cigarettes apart and still does the same trick. How?
It's more complex. Mario
But
has
he did
tobacco
that
inside
after
one
a
hand
very
and a
expensive
filter on
cigarette.
the
Holy
other.
cut. But what about that time? He breaks the cigarette in half and does the same trick? This is the gimmick from my part 1 video, and I think that this could be used for the same exact effect, but it is very sturdy, so it's really difficult to break. So let's make another one, and this time more realistic. This new gimmick looks exactly like the one I made before, but it is more realistic because the core is made of a real cigarette. Can you do it after breaking the cigarette in half and
He also tears the cigarettes
Mario has
apart
tobacco
and
inside
still
one
does the
hand
same
and a
trick.
filter.
For this effect, this cigarette is actually perfect because it's easy to break, and with the two hubs, if I twist them, then you can see that the filter is jumping, which I'm going to do simultaneously while I'm going to put the cigarette in my mouth, which will make it look like that the filter jumped from one part to the other. And that is one of the ways I think it could be done. And that's it for this video.
For the easy high, please for the